Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to redirect customer from specific country or selected country to different page using custom code in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin and then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code, insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open and then you see add title and then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select JavaScript snippet and then we are going to paste code. And you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So by using this code you will redirect customer from specific country to this page. So you can add URL according to your requirement and then you see fetch ipinfo.io JSON and then we are going to get country data pk. So you can open this link. Now you see all detail and we are using country pk. Now back to code. So you can add country according to your requirement. If you want to redirect customer from US, then you can add United States US here. Open your website from US location, then redirect to this page. Now scroll down, you see insert method auto insert location, site wide header. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. So when someone open our home page or our website, then redirect to this page. So by using this link you can find out other country detail. Now go to website page. Now open home page. And then you see home page, redirect to shop page. Now open other page, contact page. Now you see contact page, redirect to shop page because we added this link in custom code. So you can redirect customer to any subfolder or any other website by using custom code. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.